Hello everyone. Welcome back here today. As we have seen, this browser is like a VPN. You can use it to access boundary-restricted sites, watch your favorite animation, play games, and view live games on Twitch. This browser has a super complex and fast connection speed like no any other VPN. So here we go. So I will start by learning how to drive in a game. For that I probably have to watch a tutorial on YouTube in the same browser. There I have it, and I am going to play. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like, even do share. Now Lemma Twitch. Here you can watch any video and enjoy your day. You can as well visit your favorite animation and watch all the episodes you want. See you!